Well, let me begin answering this question. When is the building permit required? In general, the permit is required for all interior and exterior structural alterations. So I like to think of if anything is happening to your roof, your foundation, your electrical, your plumbing, your AC, then it needs a permit. So if you are doing ordinary repairs that are you just replacing things, taking things out, nothing is happening to the structure, for the most part, you don't need a permit. Now, homeowners, if you're not sure, please contact your city inspection division to verify what is required. So let's take a look at the interior projects. Now, these projects might be, you're going to add an interior wall, you're going to remove an interior wall, especially what they call a load-bearing wall. You want to finish the basement, finish the attic, or maybe take a closet and make that a bathroom. So that is an interior project. Let's look at exterior project. Exterior project has to do with putting that new addition, giving you some more square footage in the house, adding that swimming pool. In some places, putting a fence. We're talking about putting a deck, maybe screening in a porch. Those are all your exterior projects. Now, one thing to remember with exterior, the city probably is going to have additional requirement known as zoning. So they're looking for certain heights of things and certain setback distance in relation to the property lines. Okay, so that's just my answer to that question I normally hear, which is when is a permit required?